In this section, we will introduce Buyer's Cut Slinky Skirt Part 1. After complete draping the twist bodies, we will continue to drape the slinky skirt. This is a long buyer's cut skirt. The upper seam of skirt connects with the empire style line of the bodice. It has a fitted waist and slightly wavy skirt hem. Lightweight fabrics such as chiffon, draping, or stretched knitted fabrics are suitable for this style. We will prepare muslin. Cut 2 pieces of muslin about 110 centimeters square. The longer the skirt, the larger the muslin will be. On muslin, draw 45-degree 2 buyer's grain line, center line. Add the lengthwise grain line. The zipper is designed in the side seam, so the front and back skirt are cut with full part respectively. Next, I will show you how to drape front skirt. Pin the 2 buyer's grain line to center front of dress form. Notice, the diagonal sides of the upper end should leave at least 3 centimeters on either side of the empire style line. Pin center front line. One pin left and one pin right. Pin at waistline. Pin at hip line. After securing center front line, we will drape the waistline. Smooth waistline from center to side seam. Now you can see some small amount of extra muslin appears at waistline. Smooth and pin at waistline. Pin at side seam. Next step, drape the empire style line. Smooth the fabric along the grain line. Slash the fabric as necessary. Notice, smooth the fabric just along the lengthwise or crosswise grain line. Then, smooth the fabric across hip line and pin. Now, the fitted skirt without waist dot has been draped. Then, we will add some furnish at the bottom of skirt. If we draped with chiffon fabric, flares could be automatically formed. But now it's muslin. Flares should be manually added. Firstly, we add furnish at princess line area. There will be a certain amount of twisting that should be adjusted. Measure the amount of flare added. 1.5 cm half width. So total width is 3 cm. Smooth the fabric. Keep the fabric from twisting. Unpin and repin the Empire style line to adjust. Repeat the method. Add same amount of flare between princess line and side seam. Make adjustment. In addition, add half amount of flare at the side seam. Smooth side seam and pin. We adjust pins on Empire style line. Adjust pins on center front. We make adjustment until all the flares straight and smooth. Next, we mark the skirt with pins along the bottom of the dress form. These pins will be used as an aid to locate the hem of skirt. Check and confirm the shape of front skirt. Mark the skirt and add notches. Beside the notch at the intersection of the Empire style line and the Princess line. Add another notch in the middle of Empire style line to help sewing two seams accurately. Add a notch at side waist. Add a notch at the hip level line. Add a notch at the bottom of dress form. Now, we have completed draping and marking the front skirt.